Hello, calculus fans. Okay, so we're going to go a little bit further with these concepts. Now let's try to see how the sign of f double prime of x affects the appearance of the graph of f of x. So we're going one deeper. So we've talked a little bit before about second derivatives, and they're just calculated by computing a derivative twice. Now f double prime is just f prime prime. So we know that when f double prime is positive, then f prime is an increasing function. So this says that the slopes of the tangent lines to the curve of y equals f of x increase as we move from left to right. The slopes are increasing, not that the function is increasing. Well, let's take a look at a picture. All right, so here's sort of an ordinary looking picture. And I want to illustrate that the graphs of the tangent lines are getting larger. They're increasing. So let's put some tangent lines into this picture. Okay, so I've drawn the same picture, but now I've drawn some tangent lines in red. Now this is a little bit hard to see, so I'm going to zoom in now. So here's a close-up picture. Now you can see the tangent lines a little bit better. Now notice that while the graph of the function is not always increasing, the slopes of the tangent lines are getting larger. So over here, the slopes of the tangent line is a negative number, then it turns into 0, then we have a positive number, then we have another positive number that's even larger. As we move from left to right, the slopes of the tangent lines are increasing all throughout. Okay, zooming back out, so what we want to observe here is that as we're moving from left to right, the slopes of the tangent lines are getting larger. They're increasing. So now we're going to introduce a new term. This is the defining characteristic of being what we're going to call concave up. Now if the slopes go the other way, if they move from left to right, then we're going to call the function concave down. Now a while back, we talked about this. We said that if f prime of x was positive, then f is increasing. And if f prime of x was negative, then f is decreasing. And so now we're going to extend it and say this. If f double prime is positive, then f is concave up. If f double prime is negative, then f is concave down. And we're going to talk quite a lot more about this as the time goes on. Okay, that's all for now.